Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So as you all know by thumbnail, today's video is about an honest review on the product VEGA 3-in-1 hairstyler. So I got this for $13.99 in an offer. So the original price is $16.99 or $17.99. I'm not so sure about it. Also, this comes in a package like this, and here the price is all mentioned, and here the features and everything is mentioned over here. It looks like this. We have a setting here. So if we are opting for this particular thing, it is for crimping your hair, and this is for and this is for curling your hair, and this is for straightening your hair. So here is the on and off button, and this comes with like this. So if we are curling our hair, we need to curl like 1, 2, 3, 4 or like that. If I'm gonna do this, okay, so this is a crimper, like a crimping machine. So with the help of these plates, we're gonna crimp our hair. With help of these plates, we're gonna straighten our hair. With this, we can curl our hair. So let's get started. I have turned on the machine and I'm letting it to heat it up. I think the machine is heated up now. It's all ready to use. So let's start. First, I'm gonna take this part and crimp my hair. Can you see? Like, it's got crimped so nicely. Wow, it looks amazing actually. Yeah, it's come out so nicely. Wow, I'm speechless. Okay, so I'm gonna give 10 on 10 for the crimping machine. So yeah, it looks amazing. Yeah, it is amazing. So I feel this part of my hair is curly, so I'm gonna straighten it out. Taking little sections of my hair. Okay, so this thing actually got straight. I'm gonna do this whole part to let you guys know, because if I'm taking small strands, you can't understand. So I'm gonna take the whole part. Okay, as you all can see, the crimping is perfect. And about the straightening, it will take a little time than usual. With other straightening machines, it won't take this long. You need to do it twice. Like you need to straighten your hair like one strand twice. So that is the only drawback. But it's okay. Like, my hair are super straight now, so I would recommend it. Yeah, it is very nice as a straightener too. About the curler, I'm gonna curl this side of my hair and see if it works or no. Wow. Yeah. It's a heads up for this as well. It's nice, right? Yeah. So about this curler, about this curling, you can see the two strands of my hair are beautifully curled, and this, here it is beautifully straightened and here it is beautifully crimped. So this is a must buy product. So what it would cost you? It would cost you around 1500, and for 1500 you will get a curler, a crimping machine and a straightener. I wanted to curl all my hair because it's looking very pretty, but I don't have the patience right now, so I'm ending it up here. According to me, the product is a must buy. If you like this video, please do like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also let me know in the comment section below what kind of videos you want to see. I can try making them, Also, your love and support means the world to me, so please show some love and share this video. Also, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Please do not forget to subscribe to my channel.